So I quickly opened the wardrobe, put on some jeans and a t-shirt that seemed clean, topped it up with some old shoes that were ripped around the seams. And I thought, these shoes just don't suit me. Hey, I put some new shoes on and suddenly everything's right. I said, every now and then you come across a song that is super simple and easy to play, but is just a cracker of a song, and it's got a lot going for it. One of the things I like about this great song from Paolo Nutini is the fact that you can use slightly different rhythms in the verse and the chorus, and it really like pumps the song along. The chords are dead set super easy. If you want to play it in the original key, put a capo on your first fret, play these chords. A, C, G, then E, and then in the chorus we use a D. That's all there is to it. You've basically got the caged group of chords there, C, A, G, E, D. But what we're doing here, in the verse, dead set easy, right? And I'm going to show you a rhythm that I'm using with my fingers, which I think is really funky and kind of fun to play. You can also strum it out the same way with a pick if that's your inclination. But it's like this. The verse is A, C, G, then A, C, E. Does that that 6 chord pattern twice through, and at the end of the second E, you go back to G. These shoes just don't suit me, and then we're into the chorus. Now, the rhythm pattern that I'm playing here now I'm using bar chords because it helps me kind of keep that rhythm short, but you can also just but I'm picking the chord and doing this. All thumb and fingers together. So I'm grabbing the A string and the next 3 strings, the D, G, and B strings. Then I'm coming back down, tapping on the strings, and then pulling them off again with my fingers. And then doing a second pull off with just my fingers, not using the bass note again. So it's that's really the essence of that rhythm. If you're strumming it, and I thought these shoes just, when we get to the chorus, again, chords dead set easy, A, E, D, over and over and over again. But the rhythm, we can now strum it a little bit. So this is why I enjoy this song so much, I think, is because you can pull it back on the verses. When you get to the chorus, you can go, just like that. Hey, I put some new shoes on and suddenly everything's right. Hey, I put some new shoes on and everybody's smiling. It's so inviting. I'm short on money but long on time. That's all there is to the song. When it gets to the little breakdown in the middle, it's really just hanging on the A. That's all there is to it. At the end it does a double chorus and you're out of there. Enjoy that song. I hope you found it useful, fun to play. It's a great song by Paolo Nutini, and maybe we'll do some more songs of his on the channel soon. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching. See you next time.